The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1144 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the stoppers by rotating them to the right. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.